How to watch live football on YouTube TV app on Mac. Step number 1, open your web browser. YouTube TV does not have a standalone app for Mac OS, but you can access it via a web browser. Open a browser such as Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox on your Mac. Step number 2, visit the YouTube TV website. Navigate to tv.youtube.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3, navigate to live sports channels. Once signed in, click on the Live tab at the top of the page. Scroll through the channel guide to find live football games on networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network. Step number 4, search for specific games or teams. Use the search bar to look up specific games, leagues, or teams. Select the game or event to begin streaming. Step number 5, record games for later viewing. To record a live football game, click the plus icon next to the events. The game will be saved in your library where you can access it anytime. Step number 6, maximize your viewing experience. For the best experience, switch to full screen mode by clicking the full screen icon in the player controls. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during live streaming.